Please watch and listen this time. We'll give that a go.
Okay.
Righto, what we're going to do is create a form this time, but rather than use table data, we're going to use query data. So exactly the same process. Instead of table there, you just go here. So I want to find all my 90% students. And the reason I know that is that one because I named it appropriately. So don't just call it query 1, query 2, query 3, because you don't know what they are. Okay, I want all of that information. I go to this stage. Last time we put columnar because I wanted them all separate. This time I want them all displayed at once. So tabular looks like a spreadsheet when it's spat out. Okay, again, the title of my form, that's fine, and I hit next. And it will magically produce that. So you see how all the data comes on one page. So there's not a second page this time around. Okay. Again, I can go and tweak that. So if I go to design view, I want to drag it down here. How do I add a button? The 4X. Okay, form operations. Remember you close the form because our main menu is going to sit underneath it. So we go next. We might say close form or back to menu or whatever you want to call it. So we might go back to menu, hit next. This little name for your button, you don't really need to give it a proper name. You can just leave it as a whatever it produces. Okay, down the track you can do stuff like grab that and move the heading into the middle. You can rearrange this. So often where it says surname in little letters, you probably want to say surname in capitals for your headings and that type of stuff. You might want to center things, you might want to move stuff around, give things a bit more space to write and stuff like that. But essentially, there is your data. Again, if we close that, it'll ask us to save and we're back to the start.